My name is Andrew Bond. I'm a project director, so I work with our excellent projects delivery teams, our project managers, our superintendents, and our project assistants to deliver quality projects for our customers.
I'm Ross Roche. I'm a project manager at Skilled Services. Today we're in Loudon, and this is the Loudon Municipal Park. This is a multi-site project. This is just one location. On this job, we are resurfacing and widening half-mile track.
We're doing some of the fencing and ensuring that the site will be kept for years to come with the erosion control.
We're replanting trees.
Getting some new ones in there and making it look beautiful.
We have to have the right tools for the right job.
The reason we chose to incorporate Blue Diamond into our fleet is really the quality and reliability. It's a local Knoxville company. We knew we could trust them. We know their customer service is incredible. Every construction company likes to build their fleet, and Skilled Services likes to put a big focus on our fleet, and Blue Diamond has been integral as one of our partners.
One of the biggest reasons we've gone with Blue Diamond is just the range and attachments and what's available. We have a mini track machine, skid steers, excavators, and just the variety of tools available for those pieces of equipment.
We're not just a general contractor. We have a design team. We have a fleet of equipment, a fleet of personnel ready to make sure the project goes well. We have a lot of in-house capabilities that uses our fleet, from trucks, our logistics team, and all the way to the Blue Diamond fleet, where we really can go in and complete the whole project without relying on the subcontractor. We want to get the job done right the first time, making sure we don't have to come back, fix any issues. Incorporating Blue Diamond into our fleet has really helped us out with that.
Yeah, at the end of the day, it makes me feel good. We're out here improving another space, improving the lives of people in this community.